Welcome to our channel. Today we how to withdraw from Robinhood crypto to an external wallet. Beginner guide step by step clearly. Open the Robinhood app on your mobile device. Log into your account using your credentials. Navigate to the crypto section at the bottom of the screen. Select the cryptocurrency you wish to withdraw. Tap on the trade button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. Choose the withdraw option from the list. Enter the amount of cryptocurrency you want to send. Now, look for the option to enter your external wallet address. Make sure you have your external wallet address ready. Double-check the address to avoid any mistakes. Confirm the amount and wallet address are correct. Review any fees associated with the transaction. Once you are satisfied, tap Review to proceed. After reviewing, tap on Submit to initiate the withdrawal. You may need to complete a security check, such as two-factor authentication. Wait for the confirmation notification from Robinhood. The withdrawal process can take some time to complete. Check your external wallet to confirm that the funds have arrived. If there are any issues, refer to Robinhood support for assistance. Congratulations, you have successfully withdrawn cryptocurrency to an external wallet. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.